Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. South Korea boasts a delightful and diverse world of food, making it essential to familiarize yourself with Korean food vocabulary. So, here is the part 3rd of our video series in which we are learning food related terms in the Korean language. If you have not watched the first 2 parts yet, you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. So let's start with the part 3rd. Here comes the Korean word for pea, and that is wantukong. Wantukong. Next, let's see how to say lettuce in Korean language, and that is sangchu. Sangchu. Next comes the Korean word for cauliflower, and that is 곤양배추, 곤양배추, or cauliflower, cauliflower. The first one, 곤양배추, is a Korean word, a native Korean word, and the second word, cauliflower, is a Korean loan word. Okay, loan words are those words that have been borrowed from other languages. All right. Next is the Korean word for green onion, and that is pa. Pa. Now let's see how to say radish in Korean language, and that is mu. Mu. Next comes the Korean word for broccoli, and that is broccoli. Broccoli. This is also a loan word. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for sweet potato, and that is kokuma. Kokuma. Now let's see how to say zucchini in Korean language, and that is ehobak. Ehobak. Next comes the Korean word for mushroom, and that is 버섯. 버섯. Next is the Korean word for bell pepper, and that is pimang. Pimang. Okay, so today we learned 10 very important Korean words for different vegetables. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.